If you look out into the world, if you look at Alaska, if you look at your community, and you see that things could be better than they are for everyone, that everyone could be living happier, healthier lives, then join YAHA.
YAHA is Youth Alliance for a Healthier Alaska.
It's a place for us teens to voice our opinions and get to know our environment and the community we live in better. Not just a community of Anchorage, but like the whole of Alaska.
Because there's a lot of things happening around the world, such as diseases or like food issues, like obesities and stuff like that.
We get together and we talk about issues faced by youth in the state, and then we all have the opportunity to create a project that addresses a youth-related need that we see in our community.
If we're all healthy together, then we're able to work at our best.
I think public health is important because it does keep us safe and healthy, and it's not as obvious as maybe like going to the doctor or a hospital or something like that, but even though it's behind the scenes, it still has a huge impact on our lives and our general health as a society.
I started looking at Alaska in a different way, like what is the issues and then how we can change it.
I am currently addressing suicide, depression, and resiliency.
Drugs, alcohol, and substance abuse.
I worked a lot with sex ed and healthy relationships. When I was a member of YAHA, I put together a concert to benefit the local domestic violence shelter.
Mostly because I wasn't satisfied in the way that our communities were trying to approach the issue.
It's made me more aware of what other people's issues are and how public health can affect more people rather than just an individualized approach.
How I live my life not only affects my life, but also others.
In the public health field, they talk a lot about thinking upstream, so instead of going to the doctor when you're sick, you visit the doctor regularly to avoid getting sick. I think it just kind of has skewed the way that I view the world and that I view issues and preventing issues and addressing needs of the people around me.
You're able to develop who you are and become more self-aware and community-aware through YAHA.
I wanted to join YAHA because I saw it as this place where I could express what I think about Alaska and the community and the people and just be something bigger than myself.
You actually gonna start making changes in your environment by like sharing your ideas, answering questions, and looking at your environment in a different way and to make it better.
And it's a place where you can really learn to develop yourself in whatever field you wanted to. So through YAHA, I was able to go to conferences and present on my research that I've been developing.
What YAHA trained me to do is to take some of that dissatisfaction, that frustration, that feeling of wanting to change things, and approach it in a concrete and productive way.
You get a lot of personal growth and professional growth, so just through YAHA I learned a lot of self-advocacy and self-care and stuff, so I'm just a generally happier and healthier human.
We work really hard together, but we also have a lot of fun together.
I think you should just go for it, even if you don't really know what public health is.
Youth have a strong voice, and I feel like they kind of see both sides. We have a lot to say.
And through YAHA, you kind of get an opportunity to make your voice heard, which in itself is just super empowering. Like, I can't even get into how much of a difference that's made in just my personal growth.
Youth know more about what's happening around them, and they know more about what changes they can make.
So now is the time to speak up, make your voice heard, and bring the unique perspective that you have into the discussion, bring it into the public health discussion.